This is the ToughBuilt Large Tool Tote. Its body measures 16 inches wide, 14 inches tall, and 10 inches in depth. This ultimate tote combines innovative features, superior performance, and unmatched craftsmanship. It unites the best of an impact-tested, waterproof hardbody with the versatility of fabric tool pockets. It includes the ClipTech Hub that attaches to the ClipTech bar, making it compatible with ToughBuilt's line of clip-on pouches for optimum tool organization. Large pouches clip onto each end, while compact pouches lock on the front. Store and organize tools and supplies using the 38 meticulously designed pockets, loops, and clips. They feature plastic-lined, structured pockets that flex to keep tools in place, an electrical tape strap, tape measure clip, and a steel retention hook. This tote includes shoulder strap hooks for easy carry. It's constructed with high-quality 1680 denier fabric and heavy-duty rivet reinforcement for unrivaled durability. This durable bag is built to withstand the harshest working environments. This is the ToughBuilt Large Tool Tote. It's not just a tote, it's ToughBuilt.